guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So on today's episode of my Toyota Supra build, I am going to finally get around to installing my brake master cylinder and my brake booster. I have delayed the process long enough, so I really want to get that going. And you might be curious why my engine bay is so dirty, even though it still looks so beautiful. But that is actually all of the leftover debris from all of the previous gasket that I had dremeled off. So I was not able to peel it off, so I had to just like dremel it, polish it off completely. So I'm glad I got around to that. I'm going to clean up the engine bay and I'm going to get started on this process. So first things first, gasket. And then very nice, very neat. Okay guys, so technically the start off process of this, where I have to attach the brake booster to the pedal assembly, I would need 2 people for this, but I'm gonna make it work and I'm gonna figure out a way that I do not have to go and ask my mom for help. She does enough with recording content for me, so let's make it work. And I wanted to give you guys a quick reference before continuing with this, but in order to bring the steering column down, all you need is to unbolt these 4 nuts. One right here, one right there, and then there's these 2 nuts right here in the lower part of the steering column, and that's it guys. All it takes is 4 nuts and it comes down, and then we can go ahead and start. connected to this stud from the brake booster. specifically by the manual book. It says it's connected to this one, and as soon as I can get it in, perfect. And now I need to lower the steering column slightly, and it passes through the top right here, and oh yes, perfect fit, yes. All right, and yeah, and this is exactly where it belongs. This is exactly where this belongs. Okay, so now I have my 4 nuts. In my little bolt box is this one, which is also an OEM Toyota bolt. That one fits perfect. So you can see there. Check that out, guys. Look how beautiful it looks. Alright guys, so it gets really dark past 5 p.m. over here in Southern California, so I am going to finalize all of the rest of this process tomorrow morning. I'm going to finish installing the master cylinder onto the brake booster. I'm going to torque everything down. Everything's already properly bolted down as far as the brake pedal and the pedal stay, but tomorrow I'm going to torque it down. I'm also going to finalize the process with installing the clip and the pin, and for tonight the only thing I am going to do is just attach the steering column back onto the dash bracket, just because I don't want to add too much stress onto the shaft. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. First things first, lubrication. Never use too much of this stuff. Almost thought I might not be able to torque this nut because I technically don't have clearance, but I'm gonna use this extension and I think that I should be able to still torque it. Alright guys, so now to add the pin and the little clip so the brake pedal can stay in place. There we go. It's nice. Very important last piece. But this spring is connected to this part of the dash bracket. And oh wait, wrong way. Actually, what could this be? Can be that way. There we go. Beautiful. Perfect. But do you guys notice anything missing? There's one tiny little piece missing, guys. So this is what's missing, guys. This is the cushion for the brake pedal. And when I took apart the brake pedal, I kind of broke it off by accident. So I had to get a new one. Let's see. So this goes right here. And it snaps into place. There we go. Perfect.